folks, we are live. We are back. No camera today. No, sir. Looks like we are moving down. I think I might have missed the opportunity to get in. I did hit the daily loss limit on these 2 accounts, so tonight it's going to be the question of, can we bring them back? We're going to name this 2. 2 lucky. So it's 71 and 75. Make sure we turn off the brackets as well. 71, 75. We're trading with 1 contract each, so we gotta set this to 2 here. We are somewhat mirroring yesterday's move. Are we gonna get the move to the downside, or we're gonna chop up here for a bit first? We might get some chop here first. Now, if it just starts caving down, would not be great. Looks like that's what it's about to do, though. Just absolutely tanked to no man's land. And we'll be going back and forth between here and I am air frying some potatoes. Or I guess you could say, that's what it is. That's what we're doing. So right now, just waiting to see if there's a setup that forms. I mean, I'm kind of leaning bearish if I'm being honest here, but I don't want to get short and I don't want to get short here. I mean, if it keeps breaking down, you have 30 down here, right? Which is a pretty big move, and we have a gap here at noon. What happened there? That doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense. No sense at all. We might like to take a quick scalp back to the top here if we want to chop down here for a bit. Really wanted to get short up here, but while I was getting my stream set up, it's just too late. By the time I got in, kind of figured that we were going to get not much action if I got in, or it would have went against me completely. So that's what we're doing. We copy trading 2 accounts here as well, so that's what y'all are going to be seeing. It's me copy trading 2. I mean, it looks like we're just caving down. No chop at all here. We opened up, what? To move to the upside. What are the chances that it just reverses here, right? Would be crazy, right? I'm gonna get in long right here, 1 contract. And if it comes down here, I'm gonna add in 1 more. Oh, no! Oh, shoot. Ah, dang it. No! I'm actually trading with, oh my goodness. Let's see if I can get out of break. Let's get out here, break even. I forgot to click on my 2 accounts. I was like, dude, I'm in 2 contracts. Right, there we go. I want to get in 1 contract here. The market wants to flip back up. We'll take it for just a quick little bounce here back to the top. If it wants to go up, right? Just trading, copy trading 2 accounts. So I was in 2 minis. I was like, try to put an order down here to size in. Then all of a sudden I was like, what's going on? Why can't I add another contract? And then I got that I did not have any of this selected. Jeez, that would have been terrible. Oh, I mean, I guess not really. There we go. Kind of starting to break down here. Not looking good. Looks like the bears are kind of coming through here. ES making new lows too for the night, but looking to see if we can get somewhat of a chop here. Kind of chop it back up here to the top. Would be beautiful. Let's see here. The bowls have enough strength to push through here. Let's go. Keep pushing. Just one more push to forward. Boom. And we are up 822 in the night. Both accounts are back above there. Thanks for coming, folks. And that's it. I'm just kidding. Let me see. All right. I did not expect the bowls to come in that heavy, but hey, I'm not going to complain here. Save these 2 accounts, so these bad boys are back. I'm such a moron, dude. I just have to make everything harder for myself. So these new accounts that I activated, I haven't really, wow, the balls really are coming back through. That's kind of crazy that they just came in. I mean, I literally, you talk about a perfect entry, like down here. I will not complain. You're asking, yo, why did you go long down here? Well, I'm really just playing the range, trying to get some cheap trades in. That's really like my base hit motto that I kind of do. And that's just kind of how I trade. So seeing that we didn't really get any chop up here, the thought process was, well, if we didn't chop up here, then, you know, hey, third time's the charm, right? Now, obviously, it could have just broke down. Like I said, ES was making new lows, so everything was pointing downwards. But, well, talk about now it's probably gonna, yeah, now it really is gonna break down. Good Lord. I don't know if the trading gods are with me and they're like, hey, you need a break, man. I'm not gonna complain. I have no clue where the bulls came in for that, but I was really just looking for that play back to the top, and that just played out perfectly. Let's go ahead and make sure we turn this back on here. I mean, I'm done training these two. Shoot, we're up 78 on that, and then we're up 822 on this. So balance is back above the buffer. Thank goodness. One account probably could have got to a payout today. It was 71, but I got so greedy, dude, and just today overall was busy. I was so distracted at at the good old JOB. I had so much stuff going on, and I was thinking to myself, like, yo, you should probably walk away and chill and not trade. Walk away. I did it. So I hit the daily loss limit on this account here, 51. The original balance was at like 52,400. So not bad. I'm just going to keep that. I'm not going to trade these two tomorrow. So this one is at, you know, if I make another, I mean, if I really just get above 3,000, like $3,000, I could take a payoff if I wanted to, but I want to try to push this to the max if I can. Hold on, I gotta go check on my potatoes. Yeah, I'll just keep an eye on the charts for me, please. Right, we're back, y'all. Hey, look at that. Right back to the top. Could have took another entry down here. I'm glad I took profit here, though, to be honest. We left about, what? That was exit around like 9, 4. So 4, it went up to 10. It's about another $200 I left out, which is completely fine, to be honest, because it came down. This would have definitely killed my account. Then I would have been salty about it. Because look at that, it came right back up. So the question now is, do the Bears take control here again? This is a pretty, it's not a good wick for the Bears. It's better for the Bulls, right? So they might try to take control here again and run it back up. But the trend is pointing down. So right now, the ultimate move would be to go short with market instead of going against it from the looks. But we just gotta wait and see. Oh, let's move away from these two accounts. I do want to check the balance on my accounts. How much drawdown do we have left on these bad boys? Everything's pretty much at 2,080. What 80's $300 away? What does that mean? Yeah. I think there's a good chance we may see 20 here. Right? I think if the Bears want to stay control, maybe leave, fake break out above 20, leave a wick, close back down in this range, and then teeter back down, maybe down here, right? That would be probably the next target if the Bears are going to stay in control, but I'm thinking the Bulls want to come through here because last night we had a similar situation here. Not like an exact replica, but we broke down at the 4-minute double top, and it was on a live stream too. If you watch it, it's my 15-minute live stream. I literally made $1,000 in so like within like 5 minutes, and I was like, all right, I just called it there. Right now, though, let's go check. We are hanging up here, so not a good close for the Bears. They're trying to come back in, but the Bulls might want to try to go test 20s. Let's close this out. Whoop. I say that, and the Bears are coming right in immediately as soon as I said that. Jeez, all right. Well, maybe the Bears are coming back. Who knows? They said, not today, Captain. This is some pretty decent points, though. I mean, you're looking at 20 points here. That's actually pretty good. So 5 minutes actually bullish, 3 minutes bearish. I don't think they're done yet. I don't think the Bears have come in just quite yet. What would it look like if I got in here? 9,800. I did blow an account though, so it should have gotten removed. I can't remember which one. Maybe it was 82. Yeah, because I think it's not here anymore. I definitely went ballistic. I just full tilted, and then I hit the day loss limit on this account. We just brought it back, and then I proceeded to go make $200 on this account, and then I went and hit my day loss limit like a moron because I got greedy. I was like, I want more money, like a complete moron. And yeah, jeez, yeah, looks like the Bulls are. I mean, Bears coming back in. They close down here. They're probably gonna try to bring it back down to 29,000. I mean, it's a pretty hot level, but I'm definitely not bearish or bullish right now. I've already hit my trades with 2 accounts, and then tomorrow's gonna be somewhat of a filler episode. At least it feels like. I'll just be trading some of these accounts tomorrow. I haven't been copy trading them. I'm just still not used to copy trading it either. Like, that's still kind of unknown land to me. Hold on, I gotta run back to check on the potatoes. All right, y'all, I'm back. Sorry, dude. What did I miss? Ooh, we pumped up. Kind of broke structure. Looks like we're going to outside. What a... Jeez, what was that? That was 60 points? Yo. Finally getting some moves during Asia. What is going on? I cannot complain about this at all. This is what... Oh, this is what I've been wanting. This is the moves. Like, these are the moves that you want. Not this little bullcrap here. We're getting this turn Asia. This is what we love to see. Also, I think we have a new fetch here that was named. I think it's like Warsh or something. Saw a little bit of it. Man, here's a good point to get long, but kind of hesitant. I gotta trade 80 if I'm gonna trade anything. That's gonna be the account. Let's check the news tomorrow though. We had CPIs today. I traded that, and I think that was really what kicked off everything. So we have PPIs tomorrow, an hour before market open. All right, we're moving up. I would love to take it long if the market wants to pump back down here. If it just moves on up though, that's gonna be nasty. Love to see us kind of maybe come back in this zone, chop here a bit before it makes it, you know, the breakout to the upside. Or it could just dump here, who knows. But tomorrow we have PPIs, an hour before market open, crude oil inventories, 9:30. That's about it. We have a 30-year bond, but that usually doesn't move the market. At least I don't trade it during that time, so I think 10s would be a good target, which will put us right back down here. VWAP is turning into resistance. Bulls are not trying to give up just yet. But I mean, ES and NASDAQ are moving the same kind of congruency, which is exactly what we want. I say we, it's just me. It's what I want. When I say we, folks, I mean just me, okay? Get stuck in this corporate environment so long, everybody loves to use the term we, like, what are we gonna do? Which I get it, you know, you want to be a team, but dog, it's not we. You know, when your manager says we, they really mean one individual, and that individual is me. Like, he will do everything. You know, I'm like, man, you're just sitting here. There ain't no we. There's only me, M&E, me, not we. I'm just a bit salty. 38, right? I think we need to pull back. See how we react down here. Might stream for just a few more minutes. But I mean, if we can come back, all right. Bears are trying to come back through here. I think if they close down here below 5, that's not going to be good. I think the Bears are probably going to take control again. But this is a nasty move, though. I don't know what caused this, but I mean, Tech got 60 points. That's super solid. That's insane. Oh, here we go. Breaking down. How do we react to 5? Do we close below it? I mean, this is just like we're literally just barcoding right now, which is consolidation period. I mean, even if we come back up here and break out on this 2 candles, it wouldn't be bad. Should have a new 3-minute. Might. Ah, there we go. There's a delay. All right, so what do I want to see now? I would love to see us print red, go back in red, and maybe fake below 105s. Something like this. I think would be a better entry, but obviously this doesn't have to happen, right? It could probably just rocket on up right now. Which I don't really want to. Ugh. I don't get in, right? And there we go. Dang, 15 points. Ladies and gentlemen, what is going on tonight? Y'all better be careful training your accounts. These are account killing candles. Not because like it's so volatile, but like just the random spikes. Dude, that'll get you tilted very quick. Very, very quick. Tells you in the wrong direction. But I'm glad I was able to save 2 accounts again. I like I always say, I hate losing accounts. I don't care how many I have. How many do I even have now, actually? Let me look. Yo, Bulls are just coming right back in. What is that? 30 points? Jeez. 10 exactly. 10 accounts. With some of them I haven't really touched. Like this one, we're still brand spanking new. Only 83. I guess I have 5 that are have somewhat some money. I feel like this is not the breakout that we think it is. Something's off. Someone's spiritual pressure. It doesn't feel right. Nasty move though. Hey, I won't complain because it helped me save my accounts, and I am very thankful. Right? I had a plan going into it, but sometimes when things don't go to plan, it's not fun. No bueno. Minute. I mean, it's a bullish close. It's a breakout close. It's looking great for the bulls. But we've already had it here, so are we really going to do it there? Here as well? And yes, no camera today just because I'm running back and forth. And I'll be honest, I'm kind of just lazy. I don't want to get my camera on. I got home, always work out, got home, cleaned up, showered. I'm not a filthy animal. Ate dinner and then just hopped right on. That's just the schedule. I feel like we could break back down to 30s for some reason. 5 minutes kind of giving us that pattern, but obviously it doesn't have to happen right. Bulls are coming right back in. I think the Bears are really trying to drive it back down. So you have so much liquidity coming in, it kind of works the opposite. From my experiences, not financial advice. Oh, here we go. We come back down to 30. Bummer, dude. Should have just took that short of 40. Bummer. That's what I get for being a chicken. Take a long here, see if it wants to tag me in at 33. Let's go push back up to 43.75 before it decides to take a crash. There we go. So there's a 30. If I would have shorted at 40, would have got that. Looking to see if we can just get this continuation from the bulls here. If it just flips all the way back down, that's not going to be good. It looks like it's kind of doing that. Want to see us kind of just push it back green. Get the bulls to come right through here. And push it back to the highs up here. Because this candle here really doesn't have a wick. So let's see. Do the bulls got the juice? Do they got the juice? Let's push it back above 40 and then it should be a pretty clean break back to the upside. I don't want to see it below VWAP though. I mean, below 25, I'm definitely toast. But let's get this back above 40 ultimately. Is going to be the key pivot here. All right, 5 minute closed up here. New 3 minute candle as well. Let's get a retest of 43.75, my take profit level. Break above. Oh, they're trying. We got the ask at 34. ES is kind of flushing down as well, not looking too hot. But I want to hang on to this. Oh yeah, looks like I'm gonna eat this right here. The Bulls did not have the juice. Ladies and gentlemen, it was the Bears. And stopped out. Oh no, I traded the wrong account. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. No freaking way. I thought I was trading this. Oh my goodness. All right, so we were up. Oh my. Dog, what am I doing? I'm speechless. I mean, we're still up. Gosh, what am I doing, dude? Why did I not? This is what I get. Dog, that is so freaking stupid. Oh my goodness. Yo, dude. Oh my goodness. That left a bad taste. I'm gonna take another long here. Let's see if we can get this push back up. Push it back up to 40s. Man, that's insane, dude. Why did I not pay attention? Gosh, I'm such a moron, dude. All right, let's see if we still get some of the bulls to come through here. Talk about wild move, dude. Oh. This will be the last trade of the night, though, so let's get this to push on up to 40s. Hold VWAP as support. Let's get this move on, jiggy back up. Dang, dude. That's what I get for not paying attention. I really should have paid attention. Looks like it's coming down for my stop now, though, dude. Oh, man. What a bummer. Bears coming back in. No bulls. They gave out. Bulls have fizzled out. Come on, bulls. Y'all are better than this. Y'all better than this. You want that 40s? You know you do. Bring it back above. Let's get this pushed back above 40s. Oh, I'm about to take another loss. There goes all the gains that I just made on this account. Bring it back. Dang, dude. What was I doing? Well, lesson learned. There's a lesson for y'all, folks. Is pay attention whenever you're trading your accounts. Stopped out. All right, and that's that, folks. That is a wrap. Dang, we were up 800 on this. Now we're still up 311. Not bad. Oh, all right. We'll call it there before I do anything stupid. But if y'all tuned in, appreciate y'all tuning in. As always, we will